And I've got the sway bar painted and the new polyurethane bushings installed from Energy Suspension. Greasable. And I also went ahead and stuck my hubs and rotors together with the new 16 new wheel studs. So now I'm still trying to get that stupid thing to come out of there so I can put my axle tube seals in, and I could put the rest of this whole stupid thing together. I put it together, paint on it a little bit, and we'd be ready to slap them on the truck. Well, I skipped quite a few steps, but I've got everything put back together now. New ball joints, axle U-joints, tie rod, brake calipers, rotors, pads. Went ahead and stuck my piece on there from Rough Country for the lift. Got that on there, torqued down. Now I went ahead and put these old lockers back in here. The spicers, and I need to find a couple of these rubber O-rings because they're shot, and then I'll be good to go there. But it's done for the most part. I mean, I could put it under the truck, you know, as is now, and then not drive it around anywhere until I got my brake lines. But I'll get to that part next. Don't know when that's going to be, so I wouldn't get too anxious for it. But yeah, that was the last of the rebuild videos, and hopefully I'll be putting the lift and swapping these out before too long. Alright, I've skipped a lot, but here we've got the 14 bolt. Taking the tires off so we can slide it up under here. We've already got our quote-unquote 4-inch springs under here. It looks like it's going to be more like 10 freaking inches of lift, but I didn't measure it before I started, so who knows what it's going to do. But yeah, we got to get that lower, get it up under here. It might at least be sitting on its own weight by the time we quit for the day. And here with the supposed 4-inch lift, we have the truck. I'm holding this camera at chest level. Holy shit. I got lots of space. I mean, dang. It's up there. Let's see if I can get a shot looking down the length of it here. It's up quite a bit. I think 35s is definitely what I'll be going with on this easily. Yeah, you could probably fit 37s. Just depends on how high the front comes up. But yeah, there it be.